2022 Cadillac XT5 with less than 47,000 miles on the odometer. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, power liftgate. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.